Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will now have access to the internal components. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now locate the LCD cover. You will see that it is secured by additional screws. Carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep track of which screws belong to the LCD cover. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess any potential issues before you start. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be mindful of any cables that may be attached. Disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. If you're unsure about handling these components, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which allows you to send your laptop to us without any hassle. After removing the old LCD cover, take your new cover and align it with the screen. Ensure that all connectors are properly attached before securing it in place. This is a crucial step, as improper alignment can lead to further issues down the line. Once the new cover is in position, replace the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly, ensuring that the cover is secure. If you're feeling uncertain about the repair, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. Replace the screws around the edges to secure the back panel in place. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the display for any issues and confirm that the new LCD cover is securely attached. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get help when you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP Envy 13BD0003NS. This process not only enhances the appearance of your laptop, but also protects the internal components from damage. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your repair journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.